Welcome back to the Super Squad classroom. Oh no! Something's not right!
Sludge has been here and made a big mess. Can you help clean it up?
Look! Sludge mixed up all the colors. Red, blue, and yellow are everywhere. Can you help put them in the right place?
Great job! Now the colors are sorted. But wait, Sludge isn't done yet.
Oh no! The circles, squares, and triangles are all mixed up. Can you put them where they belong?
Yes.
Uh-oh! Sludge knocked everything over! Can you help put the books on the shelf and toys in the box?
Wow, you fixed everything. Even Sludge looks impressed.
Great work, heroes! You cleaned up Sludge's mess.
Next time, maybe you can teach Sludge to tidy up.
Big Steve.
Big Steve.
Little Steve.
Little Steve.
Production.
Little.
Well done.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to join the Super Squad and the Shadows by subscribing for more fun and learning.
We've got lots of exciting adventures waiting for you. Bye, folks.
And remember, Boomeroo!